Ace. Ready? Ace, you want the cookie? Ace. Hey. Okay. Gonna do some tricks for Karen? Okay, ready? Lay down. Good boy. All the way down. Good boy. No, what'd I say? All the way down. You're so good. Okay, get up. Good boy. Oh, you're so good. Okay, you can have a cookie. Aww. Chew it. That out of the way. Okay. Get it. Okay, get back. Ace, back. Go on. Back. You're not getting this cookie. Sit. Good boy. Okay. Ace, can I have a paw? Oh, good paw. Good paw. Ace, can I have other paw? Good boy. Oh, good paw. Okay, ready? Lay down. All the way down. Okay, get up. But sit. Okay. And go over there. Go back over there. Go on. Go over back. Good boy. Sit down. You're so good. Okay. Ready? You're gonna leave it. Ace. See it? See the cookie? Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Do not touch that. Leave it. See it? Ace. Leave it. Leave it. Ace. Leave it. Leave it. Don't touch it. Ready? Leave it. Leave the cookie. There's so many cookies. You really want it, huh? Ready? Here's the cookie. Okay. Nope. Don't touch it. Leave it. He's not going to touch these cookies until I give him the word. You're getting really tempted, huh? Ace? Ace? Hey. I know, you want them. You want the cookies? Yeah? Okay, go eat the cookies. Go ahead. Good boy. He's so cute. You dropped a piece.